coming up in today's video. Hi, I'm Homebody Leisha and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Okay, so today we're going to do a quick little vase makeover, and I really want to show you guys how you can use some of your old furniture, some of your old pieces, and let me tell you, you can make over it at any point just to save a coin. And that's what it's all about, because you can make those upgrades, make your house look as luxurious as you would like it, or to your comfort, with not spending a dime. Use what you got is what my grandmother used to say. So I'm just gonna go in, and I actually purchased this vase from Hobby Lobby a couple weeks back when they had their 50% off sale. So I really did not spend too much money on this vase, and honestly I really love how it looks. But for the direction I'm going in my decor for my dining area, my living room areas, I need to paint this white. So that's exactly what I'm doing, y'all. I love my Rust-Oleum paint. I've mentioned it before. I'll make sure I put the link in the description. But that's what's going on here. And I really did not have to do too much. Just going over it, as you guys are going to see in the video. All right, now let's get into it.
Take me in your arms. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars.
Okay, as you guys can see, this is really coming together really nice, and I really wanted to go with this really high white. Now I may come at a later time and maybe add some little, I don't know, maybe some color or something, but I just love the overall bold white look, you know. That looks really nice to me. And this is so simple, and honestly, painting, guys, is so therapeutic. Use what you have is what it's all about. Sometimes you cannot always go out and purchase new pieces, and that's totally okay. You may have some nice furniture already in your home or new pieces, nice pieces. You just have to touch it up, and that's what it's about as well. Enjoy your home. Make your living space as comfortable as you like it. All right, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you all to everyone who have subscribed. Those of you who have not had a chance to, I'll see you guys in the next video. And please subscribe, like, and follow. Take care.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.